that's interesting. It's not working. Okay. Do things look correct now? Sure, import. I don't understand why it does that. Get rid of those. And we want to have it like that. We have poly. I'm not sure if this is correct. We want to have 4. And maybe format like this. Is that correct? I need to look that up. Polylist. Do I have a deps.eden? Trying to look at working a real world example. Let's see, and then we have deps.eden. Yeah, looks to be correct. Looks to be correct. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Wait, is it already run that? Oh. Initialize Polylith workspace structure with development environment and tooling. Generate with ECA. Oh, is it ECA or is it eca? I suppose it's eca. I feel like it's a bit weak, but let's go with that. And you have those white spaces. Huh. Interesting. Okay, no previous section, unpushed. like that. Right, I forgot the keyboards. Keyboard bindings, white make blah blah blah. Okay, so what do I need to do now? We want, what do we want? We want a component, actually we want to have a babashka shirt. I want a babash, okay, I want lazy test as the framework. Where's the test framework? Okay. Am I not connected anymore? Huh. Hell. Log in. Drop it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. It's really, I would really like to have go back to previous responses. Where was I? There. This is still. Something's wrong here. I want to listen. Okay, let's start that. Nope. List directory. Invalid request error message. Must be not empty. Okay. Let's do that one. Restart. I want lazy test as the test framework. Does that work? Okay. Let's see. Let's test. What to do? I don't. Why do I need the Uber jar? Build Uber log for J2 handler, and then deps new. Let's see. I don't need. Deps new. Okay, and make sure it's the latest versions. then it went with that one, and now I have cognitive. It's really weird how it just changes things between. Because even here it had it, and then there. Or has this been changed? Maybe devs not even. Nope. Okay, it didn't edit it. Prompt stopped. Make sure it's the. Oh, it didn't do. It only did that. Oh, it didn't keep the context. Okay. So I need these. And then I can get rid of these. Something is off. Main ops. Why would it want to do that? Wait. No, that's correct. Exec FN main ops. If I remove this. Wait, is it this one? What is it align against? This is really weird. Nope. Nil. It doesn't have to be like that. Is it because it's args? Food. What is causing this? Main ops. Okay. That one works. That one works. Wait. Oh. Did I import something in here? This works. So 5D. this. Okay, and that's incomplete. We know that. Then we do that. And then okay, so I have. Do I have an invisible control character? My copy? Oh my. Looks like I do. Okay. Interesting. Now this is wait, what happened here? Because that one was inside. Copy this. Okay, anyway, that was kind of weird. Okay, write a commit message. Okay. Okay, so we have to do the same then. Write a commit message. Does it commit automatically? What do you want to run? Okay. Diff, want that. Sure, that looks good. How's that one? Here we have laser test testing framework with external test runner configuration. Okay. I have no recollection if this is accurate, and I was ages since I set this up. But I do know what I want. I want a babushka script, however, the game engine. Okay, I want the game engine to be as yes. Can you give me some ideas? I'm curious what is going to come of it. For one name. Component. Two. How should this be structured so that this works with Clojure script? 3. How would you handle ordering of systems? ECS, i.e. certain things needs to be chain. 4. What else do we need? So it should be a polylith component, because otherwise there's no point in using polylith. We want it to be runnable both for Clojure and Clojure script. And then we want to make sure that certain systems run before others. So if you have, for example, movement, you want to run that before you do any kind of collision checks. Should the systems be polylith components themselves as well? Maybe they should. And let's do this. Anything else you can think of? I need to go soon. The Wi-Fi is calling. What is this? Messages. Text copy must be. Okay. And if I do this, I have the same problem. And I feel like if I run this in here, so I'm running this in the Claude desktop API, or desktop app. So this was interesting. Can I think I have here. Okay, so ECS, I think World might be a good choice actually. ECS is more the concept, World is where everything is. Yeah, it's CLGC. This is interesting. Component queries. I need to look that up. Because I remember seeing in Bevy they had component queries. So I need to have a look at that. What is within the terminology. CLJC data first. No classes and no protocols. Probably disagree about their protocols. Records are probably faster. Yeah. Yeah, could work. Yeah, because either you do that or you do a dependency chain, but that is an interesting problem in itself. Because I think this is where they are now in Bevy. Automatic inference, yeah, component access, complex. That is interesting. Do we want to support time travel? Querying. You'll need a fast way to get all entities with components X and Y. Right, that's what they mean by querying. So basically it's a filter of some sort. This is not fun. Yeah. What's arch type? Yeah, this one, parallel system execution is one thing. Bit sets, I'm not sure we want to do that. Yeah. Okay, I think I'll leave it at that. We've gotten some stuff done. I need to debug EKA and figure out what on earth is wrong with this stuff. Because this should be working. Anyway, that's it for today, I think. Happy New Year, everyone.